Hi, everyone. I'm Nancy Proctor, co-chair with Rich Cherry of Museums in the Web, the MW conferences. We'd like to thank everyone who was able to participate in MW18 in Vancouver and make it such a great success. In these photos, we'll have a look at some of the highlights of the 22nd North American Conference. We got to tour the city of Vancouver, from its beautiful murals to its port, and we took over the Sheraton Walls Center as our home base for networking, learning, and playing. We had a full day of hands-on workshops where we got to work together to learn and build new things. We were welcomed to Vancouver by Deborah Sparrow of the Coast Salish people. Then we geeked out with keynote speaker Vicki Dobbsbeck of ILMX Lab and Lucasfilm Limited, sharing Star Wars and other wisdom on the MW18 Twitter back channel, Do or Do Not, There Is No Try. We learned from formal paper sessions and lightning talks and soaked up panel discussions and how-to sessions. We marveled at the new tools and technologies on display in the exhibitor hall and offered by our generous sponsors and museum partners. We celebrated the best work in the field this year by congratulating the 2018 Glammy Award winners, and were inspired by the artists and curators of MWX, the MW exhibition. As always, we ate a lot at the conference receptions and got to party at the Vancouver Art Gallery and the Museum of Anthropology at UBC. In closing, we learned from Curtis Wong's decades of innovation as head of Microsoft Research. Most importantly, we got to hang out with our friends and colleagues, chatting over drinks and coffee, and joining forces to channel our inner superheroes. There are only 336 days until we meet again at MW19 in Boston. The call for proposals is already open and closes September 30th, 2018. Go to the conference website at mw19.mwconf.org where you can start drafting a proposal today and planning for next year. We can't wait to see you April 2nd to 6th, 2019 at the Sheraton Boston Hotel. And of course, you can stay up to date with what's happening at the conference and in the MW community by going to our website at mwconf.org and subscribing to our newsletter.